In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable Secure Boot on your Windows PC or laptop. It's a simple process, and I'll walk you through the easiest way to turn Secure Boot on or off in your Windows 11 or 10 system, depending on what you need. So let's jump right in and get started. First, let me quickly show you how to check whether Secure Boot is enabled or disabled on your system. In my case, Secure Boot is currently turned off, so I'll walk you through how to check its status and then show you how to enable or disable it. Just go to the Windows search bar at the bottom and type System Information and open the System Information window. Once it opens, scroll down and find the Secure Boot state. As you can see, mine it says off. So let's go ahead and enable it. The first thing you need to do is open your Windows settings. Then on the left side, click on the System tab. Scroll down until you find the Recovery option, then click on Recovery option. Once you're on that page, look for Advanced Startup, and on the right side, click the Restart Now button. A small pop-up will appear. Just confirm by clicking Restart Now again. Your system will reboot and take you straight into the Advanced Recovery screen. On this screen, you'll see an option that says Choose an option. Go ahead and select Troubleshoot, then choose Advanced Options, and after that click on UEFI Firmware Settings. Then on this page, click on Restart button and your computer will restart once again. This will take you into your system's BIOS setting page. Just keep in mind that your BIOS interface might look different from mine unless you're using the same motherboard brand. But even if yours looks different, the Secure Boot settings will usually be located in a similar place. Once you're inside the BIOS, look for the Secure Boot option. When you open it, you'll notice that Secure Boot is currently disabled, so let's go ahead and turn it to enable. In my case, I'm getting an error saying, Secure Boot is not allowed if legacy option ROMs are enabled. If you see the same message while trying to enable Secure Boot, don't worry. I'll show you how to fix it. Go to the Advanced Boot Options section and check whether Enable Legacy Option ROMs is turned on. If it's enabled, simply uncheck or disable it. Then head back to the Secure Boot menu and try enabling it again. This time, it should work without any issue. After enabling Secure Boot, save your BIOS settings and exit. Your computer will restart and boot back into Windows. Once you're back in Windows, open System Information again. Search for Secure Boot state, and you'll see it now says on, confirming that Secure Boot has been successfully enabled. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you run into any issues or can't find the Secure Boot option on your system, just drop a comment below and I'll be happy to help you out. See you in the next video.